Kia ora koutou, Mrs. Bennett here again with another Reo Māori video lesson. Today we're going to be learning how to say, what is this? This can be quite a useful thing to know how to say when you're learning a new language, because if you don't know the name of something in Māori, you can say, what is this in Māori? And then the person can reply to you. For example, I know this is a book, but I might have forgotten how to say book in Māori. So I could go to someone and say, he aha tēnei. He aha tēnei means, what is this? Can you say that after me? He aha tēnei. Ka pai, he aha tēnei. The reply then would be, he puka puka tēnei. So you would say the same thing back to the other person, but just instead of saying aha in the middle, you would use the word. Okay, here are some more examples. He aha tēnei. He puti puti tēnei. This is a flower. He aha tēnei. He Scooby-Doo tēnei. This is Scooby-Doo. If you are not sure of the word in Māori, you can use it in English, as I did. I don't know how to say Scooby-Doo in Te Reo Māori. He aha tēnei. He manu tēnei. He aha tēnei. He pikitia tēnei. And this pikitia is a picture or pikitia of Mrs. Bennett when she was a little girl. He aha tēnei. He kuri tēnei. He jack tēnei. He aha tēnei. He pahi tēnei. He aha tēnei. He rākau tēnei. Okay, so now you know how to say, what is this in Māori? Next time you're not sure what something is called, feel free to use that phrase. Or if someone asks you that question, you can then reply. For those of you that need a little bit more of a challenge, here's one for you. When you are asking what something is and there are lots of that something, you need to change what you say slightly. Instead of saying he aha tēnei, you would take the T out of tēnei and you would say he aha ēnei. Can you say that after me? He aha ēnei. Ka pai. Here is an example. Behind me are a lot of books, so I would not say he aha tēnei, because that means, what is that one thing? I would say he aha ēnei. What are all those things? Then the person who replies would do the same. They would not say he puka puka tēnei. They would say he puka puka ēnei. That's right. Have a try at that. If you would like to ask what more than one thing is, just remember, take that T out of tēnei to make it ēnei. Have a go at these, guys. Use Te Reo Māori as much as you can around the home, and as always, I would love to see some examples of what you've been doing. Goodbye for next time.